Hey guys, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. So in this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add image on Google Form. So for that, we just need to open Google Form. After opening it, first you just need to create a blank form. So here you can see an option called blank form. Click on that. So for adding the image, here on the right, you can see here many options, and here is an option. You can see here add image. Click on that. And from here you can just upload it from your browse. Here I'm just going to search an image from this Google Images, and after searching it you can see that there are many images of the thing I had been searched. And from here you can just choose the image that you wanted, and after choosing it, click on insert, and then you can see that you had been inserted an image on Google Form. So that's it for this quick tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and the subscribe button for more such quick and very interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.